Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. If your furnace keeps tripping the circuit breaker, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the reasons and solutions. Why your furnace trips the circuit breaker. A furnace tripping the circuit breaker could point to an electrical or mechanical issue, and understanding why can help you avoid costly repairs. Let's explore the possible causes. If your furnace shares a circuit with other high-power appliances, it may draw more power than the circuit can handle, causing the breaker to trip. Try redistributing appliances to other circuits. If the problem persists, the issue could be deeper. A short circuit within the furnace, often caused by damaged wiring, can cause the breaker to trip. This could involve the furnace motor, control board, or thermostat wiring. Signs like burning smells or flickering lights indicate you need professional help. Restricted airflow makes the furnace work harder, potentially overheating and tripping the breaker. Keep your air filter clean and ensure vents are clear to avoid this issue. If the circuit breaker itself is old or damaged, it may trip even without a problem in the furnace. A malfunctioning breaker needs to be replaced by a professional. Wiring that's loose, degraded, or worn can cause the furnace to draw more power than it should, triggering the breaker. This is a serious risk and requires a professional inspection. Troubleshooting tips: check for overloads by ensuring the circuit isn't shared with other high-power devices. Inspect furnace wiring for issues. Clean the air filter and clear vents. Consider replacing an old or malfunctioning circuit breaker. Call a professional if unsure. Furnace issues can be tricky, but with the right knowledge, you can avoid stress and expensive repairs. If the problem continues, consult a professional for a safe diagnosis. Need HVAC parts? Visit PartsHnC to shop a wide range of HVAC components online for your furnace and other HVAC systems.